Mind my glasses. Good morning, it's me, the laughing carpenter. Ha ha ha. Oh, that was silly. Yeah, right, you've caught me in the middle of making up some shelves for a friend of mine. They were, I think they were roof joists. 8 inches by 2 inches. Was that 200 by 50 mil? Something like that. Last minute change of plan. He just wanted them standing down, but last minute change of plan. I came up with the idea of putting a little live edge on them, making them a bit more funky, put a little bit of flair to them. This piece of timber, if you were to buy it as a live edge slab, oh, goodness me, you're looking at 50, 60 quid, something like that. I'm not quite sure what it is in dollars. But this to my friend was free, so that's one heck of a saving. I've done a couple already. See if I can show you. There's one over there. I've done this one. This one's just nicely finished off. I've got a couple more to cut down. I just thought I'd quickly show you what we're doing. So what I'll do is I'll set my stall up for the next one, and I'll show you what I do. Right, I got my other piece of joist clamped down. What I've got here is a little piece that I cut off one of others. Makes an ideal template actually. So what I do, quite a simple job really. All I do is put it in place somewhere, like hold it down and try not to get my arm where it's shot. Just simply draw a line. I mean, you can freehand this, but I just like to have a line to, to go to. There we go. There we have a line. Let me just show you. Let me just bring you in, if I can. There we go. So if you can see over there, I've got a line. I'm just going to cut that out with a jigsaw. Nothing too technical, but I just thought I'd show you what I did. Clamp down. Got a line put through it. In fact, I'll show you what I'm going to do before I put that on, because you won't hear the simple thing I'm saying. What I've got here, jigsaw, bring it down a bit, jigsaw, I'll put it at an angle, I think it's around about a 22-degree angle is that, and all I'm going to do really is put it through the wood at that angle to cut an end off. Really, really simple thing to do. Right, let me just mask up and I'll show you what I'm doing. Ba-ba-bum. Right, I'm still wearing my Darth Vader gimp mask, so I can't really talk while I'm filming because you won't hear a word. So what I'm doing now is I'm just running over the face of the freshly cut piece of timber with some 80 grit sandpaper, just to get rid of all the saw marks on the jigsaw, and also just to put an edge on the top, just give it a nice round over. And then I'm going to move on to some 120 grit on a cushion pad. I'm not a fan of this cushion pad because it does make my sander a lot louder and increases the vibration quite a lot, which can't be good for a sander. So I don't like using it too much, if I'm totally honest with you. The top has been through the planer on the helical planer, so it's already quite smooth. I'm just giving it a little light sanding down just to finish it off. Right, so here we go. This is the finished article. A nice simple way to put a live edge onto a piece of wood. I personally leaving this one like this because chap who's taken it wants to stain it himself, so it's all been sanded down, just ready to stain. But yeah, to buy this in a piece of oak or even walnut or something like that would cost quite a lot of money. This, to my friend, was free. All it's cost is an hour or so of my time, and well, it's going to take me an hour. I've done 3, I've got another maybe 4 pieces to do. It's probably going to take me an hour to do them all. That's not bad. There we go. Done and dusted. Well, actually, I should probably say done and dusty. Yeah, it's probably more appropriate. I'll clear that up shortly. So what we've got here now is 6 live edge, lookalike live edge shelves that were once roofing joists. A very quick and extremely cheap project to do. The timber was free to my friend. All it's cost is an hour of my time, and I'm not that expensive, so yeah, extremely cheap. If I had to guess, if you had to buy the corresponding timber in oak, you're looking at a few £100 looking at the actual dimensions of the timber. So yeah, extremely cost effective, and I think personally a job well done. Yeah, so there we go, shelves all done and dusty. I'll get them over to my friend very shortly. Hopefully he likes them. I got the idea 5 months ago, decorated our front room, and we had some shelves up that were similar, and I came up with the idea of doing that with the shelves we got in the front room. They came out looking quite nice actually, even if I do say so myself. If I think on, I will get a picture and put it here or there or somewhere about, and yeah. So yes, this has been The Laughing Carpenter, and my name is Martin. I hope you've liked this little impromptu video. Please consider subscribing, a like, or even comment, and I will see you very soon with the next one. Bye for now.